All right, y'all, we're gonna make some chocolate marshmallow cookies. We're gonna start with a stick of butter and 1.5 cups of sugar. We're gonna cream that together for about 3 minutes. We got that somewhat creamed together. There we go. Next, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna add 2 large eggs to the mix. Uno and dos. And then we're gonna mix all that together. Alright, got that all good and mixed together. Alright, we'll put that aside. We're gonna do a little dry mixture here. We're gonna start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're gonna do 2/3 cups of cocoa powder. Put that in there. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking soda. One teaspoon of baking soda right there. And then just a little like half
a pinch.
Yeah, a little half teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna mix those dry ingredients together. That's good. Now once we have those mixed together, we're gonna bring this back and we're gonna dump this in with the wet mixture. All right, and we're gonna mix all that together. Put that pretty good mixed together. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a tablespoon, get a little kind of tablespoon sized ball. We're gonna put it on this parchment paper on this baking sheet here. Down on there. All right, so we're gonna take this over to the oven. We have it at 350. We're gonna put it in there for 8 minutes. We gotta do the next step. 8 minutes, y'all. All right, while that's in the oven, we're gonna take some marshmallows. We have 12 cookies, so we're gonna take 6 marshmallows. We're gonna cut them in half. All right, looking nice and fluffy.
Look at those.
They're gonna go right back in, but we gotta add another step, frosting.
Okay.
All right, so we have those marshmallow halves that we had cut in half. We're gonna put 1 on top of each cookie. Oh, shizzle.
Don't burn your fingers.
There. Ooh, it smells really good. All right, so we're gonna take it back to the oven. We're gonna put it back in there for just 2 minutes.
Okay.
So keep your eye on it. Don't wander away. 2 minutes, and then you'll take it back out.
Okay.
All righty. So we got the marshmallows nice and softened on there. I'm gonna take this over here. We're gonna do one little step. We're just gonna flatten the marshmallow a little bit on each one. So it kind of covers the cookie. All right, so we're gonna put this to the side while we make our frosting.
Okay.
All right, so we got some softened butter to make the frosting with. We're gonna cream that for just 1 minute. All right. Then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, add that to it. We're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Dump that in there. We're also gonna we got some whole milk. We're gonna do 1.5 tablespoons-ish of whole milk. I always spill when I'm trying to do it this way. See, there we go. And a half. There we go. And then finally, we're gonna take half this bag of powdered sugar. We're doing about 2 cups worth of powdered sugar. All right, once we have all that in there, we're gonna cream that all together to make a nice icing. All right, now that the icing's ready, we just gotta let those cookies cool and we're gonna put this on there. All right, now that we got the frosting ready and the cookies are cooled down, we're gonna put some frosting over the top of each one. Look at Brantley watching it.
He loves getting a little bite of cookie.
Can't have this chocolate though.
You can't, Brandon. It's not good for you. Not good for your health.
All right, and the last one. Man, these are looking.
They're looking good.
Can't wait to put this in my mouth.
Kind of like a little cream pie.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Okay. Just get a look at that real quick. Let's see. Where's the lucky one right here?
That middle one looks good.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go that one. Oh my gosh. That was excellent.
So good.
Merry Christmas.